Presidential candidates and peaceful protesters' violent crackdown on the opposition and civil society is a picture of Belarus today that we condemn in the strongest possible terms. Of course, we do not recognise the results of the elections, which were neither fair nor free, did not allow for election observers nor respected international standards. New presidential elections must be held. We must insist on targeted sanctions against the perpetrators of acts of violence and repression, including Lukashenko, and reassess our relation with Belarus. It must be very clear that we expect Russia to abstain from igniting further violence or repression, also given its latest financial assistance to the regime. Belarusian citizens, as much as all others, deserve to live in a country where their fundamental freedoms and human rights are respected, where those in government serve the people, and where people's health and safety, economic and social prosperity are the guideline of all state activity. Thank you.